There is a quiet power in a woman who knows she belongs. In spaces where her voice is heard, her skill is valued, her ambition is welcome. From the factory floor to the strategy room, she brings precision, creativity, and vision. She learns, she leads, she lifts others along the way. Within these walls, tools are crafted for expression. And every day, women craft something just as meaningful: confidence, independence, and impact. When women rise in their element, the world rises with them. DOMS. Own your power.